everyone, welcome to my channel Mazbar Tech. I hope you are doing great wherever you are. Today I'm going to show you how to block pop-ups on your Google Chrome. It is very easy to set up, and I'm going to show you a step-by-step process. Please keep watching. First, you can open up a Chrome browser and you're just gonna type pop-up pop-up blocker Chrome, and then just gonna scroll down and you're gonna click on pop-up blocker for Chrome, and then you're just gonna click this button right here, add to Chrome. Click add extension. Click agree. You can test pop-up. And then you can click over here. See how it feels to remove an overlay. You just right click over here, then remove overlay, remove always. So you're all set. Hopefully that annoying pop-up is not gonna bother you anymore. I hope this video is informative and helpful. Please subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.